Hey everyone, I'm Andrew. I'm the founder of RevFuel. We are a HubSpot partner agency working with companies on all things HubSpot. And today, got some really cool, exciting news. HubSpot just released a really cool property feature. If you've tried in the past to create like a today's date to be able to calculate, things like, hey, how many days until someone has to renew, or how many days has it been since they booked a demo or whatever it may be. In the past, you'd have to create like a bunch of different calculated properties. Pain. Well, now it's in beta, but you can go into your account, go to product features, go to in beta, and it should be the top one for you. Create time since, and time until properties. So really cool feature, calculation property. And we can go in and go through a quick example on how you could go ahead and use this. So let's say you wanted to do, something as simple as, how much time has it been since someone became a contact in your HubSpot? Go to create a property, time since, contact created. Contact info, calculation, time since. Or we could even do, first deal created date, something. We'll do something a little different. And as you can see, the end date is going to be today. So in the past, you'd have to create a workflow that's like today's date. And all right, every 24 hours, update it. It was a pain. Well, now you don't have to do that anymore. And now we could go ahead and create it. Now we could just go to our contacts. Now, should have changed it to deal created, but filter down. Known. Oop. All right. Had to adjust it. So I changed it actually to time since the last engagement. And they're just loading since it was new. But this gives me the ability, hey, I can see, exactly how much time since the last engagement, from minutes to hours to days, if I've had any engagement. And then on the flip side, we could also create one, days until or time till. So if we, for example, had, this will be really good for renewals. In this case, in this portal, we don't have a renewal date. But if we did have a renewal date, and we'll just pick a random one. Days until renewal. Calculation. Time until. So this is picking today's date. We're just going to go off the close date for now, just for the example, but pretending that that is the renewal date. Could now go into the pipeline. A second to load. So this is what it would look like. And actually, the cool thing is I did this based off of close date, and some of these close dates are obviously in the past. So now it's actually showing negative, which is cool. So I can see, hey, this, 22 days from now is when this deal is supposed to renew. All these negative ones, which are all old, closed deals, by the day, even by the hours, which is really cool to see. go even and probably set up some warnings, especially for renewals like, hey, they were supposed to renew yesterday. They hit the negative. What are you doing, sales rep? Reach out. So again, really cool feature. It's going to save a ton of time. No more pesky, custom today's date property that might work 30% of the time. So that's it. There you go.